Morning students, I am Anusha from Marki in Kyanjodi Public School, Chengalpet. This is your video presentation social science class for grade 5. Let's start the class. Yes. If we want to go a new place, how do we find a new place? Yes, we are using a map to find out the new place. So, maps helps us to locate a new place. Okay children, have you all seen the globe? Yes, you may have seen the globe, which is made up of two sets of lines. Have you seen that? Yes, so many lines are drawn on a globe. So, these lines, some lines are drawn up and down and some of them drawn by side to side. So, these two sets of lines intersect each other and forms a grid system. Okay, so these two sets of lines are called as latitudes and longitudes. Understand? Yes. In this class, we are going to discuss about latitudes. Before we learn latitudes, first we know that equator. Equator is the imaginary line running around the middle of the spherical earth is known as the equator. What is equator? The imaginary line running around the middle of the spherical earth is known as equator. What is the shape of our earth? Yes, spherical shape. So, in the earth, in the center of the earth, one line is there. The middle line is called as the equator. What is equator? Yes, middle line of the earth. Let's see latitudes. Latitudes are horizontal imaginary lines running around parallelly and at equal distances above and below the equator. Latitudes are also imaginary lines running around parallelly. Horizontal means something that goes from side to side. Okay, horizontal means a line that can be drawn from side to side. So, parallel also like this, being side by side. Horizontal and parallel both are same. So, in the center of the earth, equator, that is one line, below and above the equator. With this center of the equator, we may have seen some lines are drawn above the equator and some lines can be drawn below the equator. These two sets of lines are called the latitudes. These latitude lines are also called parallels. These latitude lines are also called parallels. Why they are called parallels? Because these lines run east and west around the earth. These lines are drawn east and west direction. So these are known as parallels. Let's see the divisions of the earth. According to the latitudes, earth is divided into two sets. That means two hemispheres. First one is northern hemisphere and the another one is southern hemisphere. These are the two divisions of the earth according to the latitudes. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Let's see about that. You may have seen two images. First image shows the northern hemisphere and the second one shows the southern hemisphere. A half that lies above the equator, that means northern hemisphere, and the half that lies below the equator, that is known as southern hemisphere. Let's know about in detail. Northern hemisphere. The half that lies north of the equator is known as the northern hemisphere. Do you understand? Yes. Because the earth contains four sides. You know that? North, south, east and west. So, north, a half that lies north of the equator is known as northern hemisphere. It has 90 latitudes. 90 latitudes are there in northern hemisphere. Let's see the next one, southern hemisphere. The half lying south of the equator is known as the southern hemisphere. The half part that lies south of the equator is known as the southern hemisphere. It also contains 90 latitudes. Let's see important lines of latitudes. All latitudes are numbered from the equator to the poles and measured in degrees. All latitude lines are measured in degrees. You may have seen this in this earth. At the top region, North Pole is there, and at the bottom, South Pole is there. It also measured in the degree. Okay, the equator is at 0 degree. The equator is in the center, so it is at 0 degree. The value of all other latitudes are followed by the letter capital N or capital S. The letter N indicates that the latitude is in the northern hemisphere, whereas the letter S indicates that the particular latitude is in the southern hemisphere. Understand? Yes. Let's see the important lines of latitudes. There are 4 important lines of latitudes. First one, Tropic of Cancer. Second one, Tropic of Capricorn. Third one, Arctic Circle. Fourth one, Antarctic Circle. These are the 4 important lines of latitudes. Okay, you may have seen in this image dimensions also given. The Tropic of Cancer is in 23.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer is in northern hemisphere. Then the Tropic of Capricorn is in 23.5 degree south. So Tropic of Capricorn is located in southern hemisphere. Let's see the next one. Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is in the northern hemisphere. It is 66.5 degree north. And the last one is Antarctic Circle. It is located in the southern hemisphere. It is in 66.5 degree south. So, these are the 4 important lines of latitudes. Do you understand? Yes. In this class, we have learned latitudes, about latitudes and what are the important lines of latitudes. I hope you are all understand. Yes. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class.